Welcome. In this lesson, we are going to talk about pentatonic scales and how to improvise using them. So, let's dive in. Welcome. In this lesson, we are going to talk about pentatonic scales. So, the first thing we are going to do is to explain a little bit how a pentatonic scale is build is construct. So the first idea is we have 5 notes. In this case, we are in the key of C major. So my pentatonic scale will be C, D, E, G, A. Okay, 5 notes. Then what we are gonna do is to explain how you can finger this pentatonic scale. So we are gonna use the first 2, 3, and then going to the thumb again, your index finger, and then going back to 1, 2, 3, again the same idea. Okay, so this is your pentatonic scale, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, the notes of a major scale. Now, if you like to construct the minor pentatonic, we are gonna go to the 6th grade, in this case A, and it's the same idea starting on the 6th degree. Okay, so in this case you can do the same idea and then moving back or going back to the same fingerings you are gonna have in C major pentatonic. Okay, remember that your hand must be like looking at the front of the keyboard at all times. Okay, so with these 2 elements, with these 2 scales, pentatonic scales, now we are going to improvise just a little bit. In this case, I have here, Here's That Rainy Day. So our harmony is this: C major, okay, going to E flat 7. Now A flat major 7, D flat major, and then our last 2 chords, D minor 7, G7, going back to C major. Okay, so let's improvise a little bit. I am gonna do the like contours, melodic contours of each of those harmonies. Okay, so just remember that we need to have the majority. So in order to be a melodic contour, we need to do the majority of the notes at one point must be note by note in order. So this idea, for example, I am not going to use the 6th grade because it's not so melodic. You use the 6th grade as a voicing, in your voicing, in this case in my left hand. Okay, so we are gonna improvise just a little bit. flat. Okay, as you can see, so we were using melodic contours over the pentatonic scale, okay, thinking about always like in a melodic way, okay. Always you need to construct melodic ideas, okay. In this way, you are going to use the pentatonic scale in a very practical and efficient way. Okay, so let's go back again. Only pentatonics. Okay, so remember, I am using at all times only 5 notes. So if I am going to E flat, this is the idea. If I am in the key, in the chord, in A flat chord, A flat major chord, yeah, the same idea, D flat major, okay, D minor, we are gonna use the D minor pentatonic scale. So remember that D minor pentatonic scale will be the same as F major pentatonic. Okay, starting in the 6th grade. Okay, and the last one is G major pentatonic. Okay, going back to C major. Okay, would you like this lesson? Please leave a comment and I will see you soon in the next lesson.